Major fail, guys. The EOM didn't... What's going on? Apparently the EAS didn't shut off on WYZZ. Oh my god. It's still relaying the EAS, but it went off the air.
Tornado warning for
Northern Putnam County,
southeastern Bureau County until 12:45 a.m.
Listen, that's the TV making the music. Apparently the station went off the air and it didn't trigger the EOM.
65 miles per hour.
It was
Expected
very...
hazards include tornado.
I'll get off of Putnam County here a second. See, that's not the radio, it's the TV. Ha! Apparently the EAS equipment at WYZZ didn't detect the EOM, because the station was too low on power. It's kind of... Finally. Dang it. At least, why doesn't it exceed the 2-minute limit? Oh my god. Oh, finally.
Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 13.
There we go.
You are listening to NOAA Weather.
What the heck? A broadcaster has issued a required weekly test. Oh, that's interesting. Required weekly test. Must be testing after that fail, huh?